Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about merge sorting. Last time we did about the sorting. Now we're gonna learn merge sorting. Okay? So first, what we do is import pandas as PD. Okay? Next, we make a data frame. Before that, we have to make a dictionary. Okay, that's good. In this dictionary, we're gonna put ID, which is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Then put the name there. Like Avner, Enver, and finally, little Timmy. Okay. Next, well, we have to convert this into a data frame. So df equals to pd dot data frame data. That's it. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we can just copy this data frame because we're going to do the same thing. I didn't have to copy everything. All countries. Okay, good. So what we're going to do is this. First, we're going to ID can be here 4, 5, 6. Vehicles. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to merge them. So we're going to write here merge equals to pd dot merge df comma df1 comma on id. So what this basically does is going to merge df in the df1, but what it's going to do is merge the id because that's common. Now, oh, it's taking lots of time just for this. Okay, my bad. See, saying here empty data frame for columns and ID indexes. Okay, so we gotta put the same things. So I have to put here comma, not name, salary. Let's put something different. 100, 200, 300. Okay, so far it's just printing that. I'll show you how to actually merge the ID and show it into like an actual like data frame. Okay, so this is just how to merge, right? But if we really want to do this, we have to do concatenation. So we'll do pd.concat df comma df1 comma on ID. Oh, my bad. It will so we'll find the common how do you say it? Common row, I mean column, and we'll concat both of them. So just concat into one. Okay? Now you want to ignore the index too, right? So what we can do here is comma ignore index equals to true. And it will ignore the index. So what it means by ignore index, it means like before you will see a difference. I comment this, say, no, yeah, yeah. See, here's what it's doing. It's concatenating both of the data frames. Here, there's only, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows in the first data frame. So it's doing 0, 1, 2. Then it's adding 0, 1, 2 because there's 3 rows in the second data frame. But when we do ignore index, right? It will do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So this is like the concatenation and merge sorting. So thank you everyone for listening to my video about merge sorting and concatenation. I hope you like it.